You know what we were taught? Once you make your money, put 20% of it aside as a savings account. The rest of it you can spend however you want. How do you feel about that strategy?
I don't save dollars. As I said, anything.
Yeah.
Friend, I don't have stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. I sell them. I take companies public.
Yeah.
In my first company, I was one of the young guys standing at these booths.
Yeah.
Took my first company public, raised $27 million on the Toronto Stock Exchange.
Right.
And it was a gold mine in China.
Okay.
We struck the biggest lode in China. The Chinese took it nationally. So I found out the hard way to punch your business.
Yeah.
So my next gold mine I took public was last summer on the New York Stock Exchange.
Right.
This one's in Utah.
Yeah.
It's ODV, one of the biggest gold mines in America. The interesting thing is, it was always sitting there. It's a 150-year-old mine, and this guy Marin Katusa, who's he's a god here in Vancouver. Marin took all the logbooks of these old miners from 150 years ago, the Bull Rose and this. He applied AI to it, and he found out the old miners 150 years ago missed the vein, and he re-entered. We took it public.